Hi, my name is awprost, and I'm using this short video to tell you about some Cisco-supported research that was done about video production and distribution here at SAIT. Use the URL in the comments section to get the full details in the written report about this research.
So what we did with this research is we examined the literature and we talked to the SAIT community, both students, faculty, and management, and we found that video is generally accepted as an excellent way to improve exam scores. It does improve higher order learning. It does improve collaborative abilities of students. Students desire video. There's a lot of faculty that believe that video helps facilitate their classes and labs to a much higher level by using the flipped classroom method. Data from the survey shows is that students generally feel that video is a very effective way to support their classroom and labs. Faculty supports this view, with about 90% of the faculty and management agreeing that video is a very useful and valuable tool to augment students' learning. The survey results do show that students highly recommend that more videos be produced here at SAIT to support their learning. Faculty supports this view, and so does management support this view, with about 80% of each of these two groups supporting that the concept that SAIT should be producing more videos. From discussions with faculty and from the survey results, we've come up with a three-step plan to help augment the faculty production of video. First off is to create a resource room where equipment would be available and a mentor to support video production. A key element of this plan is that we would create education around video production to support the faculty, and faculty will be further supported by recognition from SAIT management. The goal, of course, is to produce more videos for student use to support their education, and SAIT will be a winner here in that this open education will be seen as being a high priority of SAIT. It will be low cost, that will ensure that the videos are highly utilized effectively by increasing self-tests and quizzes. And of course, the ultimate objective is that student outcomes will be improved, and we will be supplying students with a tool that they find useful. When we asked faculty and management about the effectiveness of offering these workshops, faculty agreed that management should highly support this, and management also agreed that this should be a highly supported initiative, and that video production would be greatly increased and the cost would be very low with faculty-produced videos.
Thank you for watching the video. Remember, you can get more details using the URL and downloading the complete written report. Thank you very much.